Windows 11 finally got the fixes it needed, but the wait never went away. Tiny 1125 H2 v12 strips it down to what actually matters. Stable, clean, fully updated without the noise. This feels like Windows done right. Hi, this is Neil from Apidus. Let's get started. Building Tiny 1125 H2 is simple and straightforward. Open the Tiny 11 Creator using the official link in the pinned comment. Press Build, and the tool handles everything automatically. It downloads the required components and prepares your installer in the background. You can leave it running while it completes. If you prefer a ready setup, you can also use the pre-built installer from the official site. Both options are fully supported. Make sure you use a valid Windows license. Only clean and legal installations are supported. Build time depends on your internet speed and system performance. Once finished, the log will show build finished successfully. Your installer is now ready. Avoid downloading Tiny 11 from unofficial sources. Many contain hidden malware or spyware that can compromise your system. Always use the official creator or verified installer. Now let's install using Xeno. Xeno allows installation without a bootable USB. Open Xeno from the package. Select the installer you created. Choose the target drive from the list. Make sure the drive is empty as all data will be erased. Confirm your settings and start the process. Xeno completes installation in a few minutes. Restart your PC. You should see a dual boot option for Tiny 11. If not, you can add it manually using tools like Easy BCD or Visual BCD. No USB required. No extra steps. If you prefer a USB method, use Rufus. Connect a USB drive with at least 8 GB of space. Back up your files as the drive will be erased. Open Rufus. Select your Tiny 11 installer, choose the USB drive, and start. This takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Once done, restart your PC and open the boot menu using F12, F8, or Escape. Select the USB device. The Tiny 11 setup starts automatically. You go straight to drive selection. Choose carefully as the selected drive will be overwritten. Language can be changed later, so you can skip it for now. After installation, you land on a clean Tiny 11 desktop. If you want similar performance gains without reinstalling, use Velotic. It converts your existing Windows into a Tiny 11 style system in just a few clicks. Your PC decides your mood the moment you sit down. You open it to get things done. It drags, it stalls, it resists you. Velotic ends that. This is not another cleaner. This is control. You launch it once, and your system stops working against you. Everything responds. Games run clean. Apps open instantly. The lag you tolerated is gone, not for a day, every day. Velotic adapts to you. It reads what you're doing and tunes your CPU and GPU in real time. No manual tweaks, no risk, just consistent speed. It removes junk before it builds up. It shuts down hidden processes that steal performance. It does it quietly, without breaking Windows. You unlock over 500 tested optimizations. One click removes bloat. No confusion, no trial and error. You install apps instantly. No setup friction. Power shifts when you need it. Performance when you push. Stability when it matters. You recover massive disk space through safe compression. Nothing gets deleted. Your files stay exactly where they belong. Your system finally has room to breathe. This is not a temporary boost. This is how professionals run machines they rely on every day. Built over 4 years. Trusted by thousands. Refined with every release. You install it once. You stop thinking about performance. Velotic. For people who refuse to tolerate slow. Now take it further by turning your Windows into Tiny 11 or 10 in just one click. Open Velotic. Go to debloater. Press play on Tiny 11 or Tiny 10. That is it. Your system transforms in one move. No file loss, no broken features, same setup, completely different performance. If you want the details, open the info section or use the guide in the description. You already know how your PC feels right now. This is what it should feel like instead. After setup, start with compression. Open the Configure app. Go to the compression section and enable it. This can reduce system size by up to 60% while maintaining performance. If needed, you can disable it any time. Once complete, the full system uses around 7 gigabytes, far less than standard Windows. Startup becomes faster, apps open quicker, memory usage stays lower. This build is optimized for speed and stability across both older and modern systems. Now let's get online. Open the Configure app. Go to the Browser section and select your preferred browser. I'm choosing Chrome, but Edge, Opera, and Firefox are also available. Let me know your choice in the comments. Installation takes just a few seconds. Once connected, explore the Community tab in the Configure toolbox. Visit our channels and join the Discord server for support, updates, and previews. You can also access the Velotic website directly from there. If you experience crashes or memory issues, here's a quick fix. Open Configure. Enable paging files. Restart your system. This resolves most stability and memory-related problems. Paging is disabled by default to keep the system lightweight. Enabling it adds stability when needed. Now let's install drivers. Drivers handle graphics, audio, networking, and input devices. Open the Configure app. Go to the System section and select Install Drivers. Choose individual drivers or select Install All. Drivers are essential in most cases. They enable full performance for gaming, media work, connectivity, and system controls. Once installed, your system runs as intended, stable, responsive, and fully supported. You can find the purchase link for Tiny11 in the pinned comment. Tiny11 is built for users who want speed, privacy, and consistent daily performance. It stays fast, it stays clean, it works the same every day. Free builds exist, but many are unstable or unsafe. The difference is simple. You get a secure, optimized Windows that lasts. Thanks for watching. This is a Pidus signing off.